friends, I am Komal Yadav and today I am talking about the G protein coupled receptor. G protein coupled receptor, also known as guanine nucleotide binding protein. It involved in the transmitting the signals. It is also known as 7 membrane domain receptor or 7T receptor, serpentine receptor, G protein link receptor. It consists of the large family of protein receptors. They are the 7 transmembrane receptor because they pass through the cell membrane 7 times. Human express the over 8,000 G protein coupled receptors that make up the third largest family of the G protein coupled receptor. G protein coupled receptor are the target for many drugs. Perhaps half of the all non-antibiotic prescriptions acted at these receptors. Now we discuss the structure of G protein coupled receptors. Structure are divided into the three parts. First is the extracellular. It consists of the N-terminal and 3 extracellular loop, that is Cl1 to Cl3. Second is the TM region. It consists of 7 helix, that is TM1 to TM7. And third one is the intracellular region. It consists of the 3 intracellular loops and the intracellular amphipathic reflex, helix and H terminal. G protein couple are the responsible of every aspect of the human biology, from the vision, taste, smell, sympathetic, parasympathetic nervous system, function, metabolism. Out of 45% of the all prescription drug or the pharmaceuticals drug known to target for the G protein coupled receptors. Robert Lefkowitz and the Brian Kobilka got the Nobel Prize in 2012 in the chemistry for the groundbreaking discoveries that the inner working of the G protein coupled receptor. G protein coupled beta and gamma subunit are combined to form the beta gamma complex. It is the broad sense extracellular region modulate the ligands axis. TM region form the structural core. Alpha unit fall into the 4 families, that is GS, GI, GQ and G1213. These are the responsible for the coupling of the G protein coupled receptor to relatively distinct effects. G protein coupled receptor are classified based on the polygenetic origin. First is the glutamate, then rhodopsin, adhesion, fresnel and secretion. G protein coupled receptor classification based on the sequence homology and functional similarity. Class A for rhodopsin like, Class B for secretin receptor family, Class 3 for metabotropic, Class 4 for fungal matting pheromone receptor, Class E for cyclic AMP receptor, and the Class F for freeze. Now we discuss the physiological roles. Visual sense, it contains the rhodopsin. Sense of smell, contain the olfactory receptors. Then behavioral and the mood receptor. Serotonin, dopamine, GABA. Immune system activity and the inflammation. It contains the chemokine receptor and the histamine receptor. ANS transmission, it contains the beta adrenergic receptor. And last one, that is apostasis. Single molecules. First one, that is biogenic amine. Adrenaline, non-adrenaline, dopamine, 5-HT, acetylene, histamine. Then amino acid. It contains the glutamate, GABA. Then lipids. It contains prostaglandin, leukotrienes. Peptide protein. It contains angiotensin, bradykinin, thrombin, calcitonin, FSH, LH, TSH. G protein coupled receptor are interact with the number of ligands ranging from the